Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to allow to display Tableau on notification bar in Yandex browser. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Yandex browser. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at down right corner. Then click on Settings option. Scroll down. You can see there are many options. Click on Notifications. Then you can see Display the Tableau on the notification bar. Option of this on this option. Finally guys, in this way you can easily allow to display the Tableau on notification bar in Yandex browser.